Hey there, data enthusiasts. Welcome to Elance Data Sage, the ultimate destination for the intelligence tools like Excel and Power BI. I'm Sai Kumar, your guide on this journey to the realm of data analytics. In this channel, we are gonna start from fundamentals, which improves our basement for any tool usage. Without wasting any time, let's go to our channel and website and Insta page, which builds our community. Let's dive into my laptop. Yeah, this is our Elance Data channel. And you have Data Sage logo here, and you have data development. And pretty much the information is over here. What are we going to do? Like Excel, Power BI. We are going to infuse the AI tool, which is ChatGPT and CoPilot. We will use this and bring the output in intelligence tools. And the bonus is Canva, and then comes Alteryx and Tableau, which is a visualization tool and ETL tool. Point of time. Yeah. Let's get into our website and see how things are over there. So this is our website, and the links are provided over there. So we will start with an Excel, then Power BI, ChatGPT, Tableau, and all. Then we are providing the services like data analysis, business analysis. It's kind of a freelance. If people wanted to look out for the information from us, they can reach out to us. And please click this consultation and provide your details and pay out the money if you want. And if you don't want, you can just ping us or DM us in any of the channels. Like you can mail us from these details, or you can call us or message us, and you can just directly click this link and it's to the YouTube channel. Then comes the Instagram channel. So in the Instagram profile, you can DM us. It's fine, and you do have the links of the YouTube and the website link. And then this is me, and this is my qualifications. This is our Insta channel. Okay, you do have the links here. It redirects there. This is about our channel. The AI tools are ChatGPT. We will use ChatGPT and then CoPilot, which is a part of Microsoft and part of Bing. You can come to Bing and click the CoPilot. You have three options: creative, balanced, precise. In ChatGPT, we will use the 3.5, and going forward, we can take the 4 and we can start infusing the plugins of different AI tools into the ChatGPT, and we will show you that. Canva. So this is how Canva looks like. I have Pro, and this is not my Pro, and later point of time I will show you the Pro also. Yeah, this is about the AI tools and editing tools which we will use. People, content will start flowing in. Don't forget to hit subscribe button. Keep the bell icon on so that you'll get all the informations whenever it gets updated. The tutorials, tricks, the tips, everything from us, you'll be getting it. Hit the bell icon. Thank you.